This week's canine top tip of the week is your dog's general well-being and health check. This is an easy way to tell if your dog is in tip-top condition or if he needs a little help on the way. And we're going to start off with hydration. It's a very important thing. Is your dog drinking enough water or does he need some more? And the way we check that is by very simply at the neck here, lifting up the scruff of his neck, the skin on the top of his neck, like that, and then letting go very quickly. And as you can see here, the skin should rebound to its normal position very, very rapidly, almost instantaneously. If there's any delay in the drop of the skin back to its normal position, your dog needs water. Any delay whatsoever. The longer it takes to go back to its original position is the more indicates the more water that your dog needs to drink. So if we can have a very, very quick close-up look at that, please. You grab the scruff of the neck, you pull up and let go, and that's what should happen, an immediate fall back to the same position. If it falls slowly, like that, or if there's a ridge, especially if there's a ridge still left there after you've squeezed it, then your dog is in desperate need of water. And if it's, depending on how slowly it goes down, you need to give him more and more water, even to the stage of force feeding him water. Putting water in a syringe, putting it in his mouth, and then literally squirting the water into him in order to rehydrate him if it indicates that on the neck. Right, next one is the eyes. We're going to have a look at the eyes, and we're going to get a close-up here. And what we're looking at is the whites of the eyes. Thank you, Achilles. There we go. And we're looking at the whites of the eyes, and they should be white coloured like that. If they're any other coloured than white, especially yellow, well, yellow, the yellow back of an eye indicates a liver problem, even as far as a liver failure, and needs immediate medical attention. If the back of the eye is grey, that indicates a kidney problem, and again, needs immediate medical attention. If the eyes are bloodshot, that could be a number of different things, from head trauma all the way to a bad cold. And so you just keep a careful eye on him if the eyes are bloodshot with red, and that should dissipate in a few days. If it doesn't, seek medical attention. And lastly, what we're going to do is have a look at your dog's gums. You're such a good boy, Achilles. This is Achilles, by the way. Say hello, Achilles. And what we're going to do is lift the gum up like that and look at the red section of the gum here. It should be nice pink red like you see on Achilles. And what we're going to do is just press down with our finger and let go very quickly. And as you can see there, the gum went white for a second and then returned immediately back to its pink red colour. And that's what you're looking for. That indicates that your dog has enough red blood cells running through him in order to obtain the oxygen his body needs to metabolize. If there's a delay in the return from the white coloured gum to the red coloured gum, that indicates a lack of red blood. It's called anemia, and anemic dogs are very prone to disease, and they have a very, very low immune system. So you need to basically feed your dog or give them some water if their gum check indicates anemia. The water you should mix with glucose. A dog Achilles size here, which, you know, bigger than most, you want to give him about a tablespoon and a half of glucose mixed with his water. A smaller dog, for example, if you look over there, those guys over there, you want to give him about half a tablespoon glucose, well dissolved in water, and allow them to drink as much as possible. And what you'll see is over a couple of days, that glucose will initiate the production of red blood cells in the dog. And if you do the test again after this, in a few days, your dog should have a fully tuned red blood cell count. If he doesn't, seek medical attention. That's the 3 easy, quick steps to check that your dog is fully in good health. If any of the steps prove a negative result, then obviously take care of your dog, take him to a vet or her to a vet. Thanks for listening, thanks for watching, hope it's helped, and see you again next week for another Canine Top Tip.